Hey guys, it's Steven from Fratelli. I know shopping could be a little tough right now, but we're gonna make a very easy, delicious, and comforting pasta dish. It's Penne Alla Vodka. Cameron and Courtney, you ready to start cooking? Alright guys, we're ready to start making our sauce. I already have some olive oil in here. I'm just going to put a little bit more so I have a nice even coating over the bottom of the pot or pan you're using. You can also cook this recipe with pancetta. If you do that, put less oil in and start with the pancetta. We're making it without meat. This is a really simple quarantine cuisine here, so let's get ready for the next step. I'm going to get this up to medium heat. I know it's troubling times, but don't drink all your vodka quite yet. Save about half a cup for the recipe, and don't use flavored vodka because that'll throw off the flavor of the sauce. Just plain old vodka. Now, vodka is flammable, so we want to lower the heat a little bit. We're not going to do a flambe with the flames going up. This is home cooking, not a cutthroat kitchen or Iron Chef or any of that stuff. So here we go. We're going to put that in there. No flames, that's good. And we're gonna let this reduce about half, so about, I don't know, 3 or 5 minutes should be all right for that. All right, now we're gonna add a whole can of San Marzano peeled tomatoes in the can with all the juice. And this one is hand crushed by none other by Cameron and Courtney. Alright, I'm cooking this a bit hotter than I normally do with my tomato sauces, and that's because I want it to reduce in thicking, because you want a thick, creamy sauce. That's a bit of preference too, so it's really up to you on how thick you want it to go, and that's how long you cook it. I got a medium-high heat and obviously a bit of a medium boil here. Don't forget to stir the sauce too so it doesn't burn on the sides or the bottom. Now, some people cook this down a lot, so it's like really sludgy. This is about the consistency I like. Again, a bit of preference there, but what I do want to do is lower the heat down now because we're going to be adding cream soon and I don't want it to curdle. Now is a good time also to start boiling your salted water to cook the pasta in. I'm going to add some Pecorino Romano cheese. I'm not using an exact amount. I'm going to use like 3 heaping tablespoons here. Along with the cheese, I'm going to add a nice chunk of butter because that's going to help make it creamy. Give that a quick stir. Already starting to get that orange color that we know and love in Penne Alla Vodka, but to really get there, we're going to add some heavy cream. Now, the amount you add is completely preference, and the color is how you like it. Pasta, cook it 2 minutes less than the package says for al dente because we're going to finish cooking it in the sauce. Make sure your water is well salted, and that's it, folks. Really optional, but since we have the fresh basil plant here, we're going to grab some nice leaves right off the plant, and then we're going to stack them up, and then roll them kind of like a cigar. Roll them up, roll them up, roll them up, and cut nice thin strips. Alright, we had our sauce cooking on the back burner on low, and now we're going to add some to a warm non-stick pan, and then add our pasta in. Now we're going to need a little bit more sauce, and this is what I was talking about where we're going to finish off the pasta in the sauce. It's going to absorb the sauce into the pasta, make the sauce even creamier and thicker because of starch from the pasta, and it's all just going to be delicious. Alright, there it is. We're going to add a nice sprinkle of that cheese on top and some of that fresh basil. Oh, look at that, looking nice. And this is Fratelli TV, so as much black pepper as you want. Freshly cracked, of course. Real excited to dive in. Before I do, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up like button on YouTube. That would help us out a lot. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, that would absolutely make my day. We're a new channel, we need more subscribers, so we can keep cooking for you guys. All right, let's take a bite here. Very, very good. As promised, it's creamy, delicious, and comforting. Guys, please make this at home, and if you do, let us know in the comments how it came out. If you have any questions too on the cooking, write in the comments. Happy to talk to you guys, help you out. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep cooking. See you guys soon. Now, remember, vodka is flammable, so we want to lower the heat just a little bit here. We're not gonna, what do they call it, souffle? The flames that we don't, no, that's not souffle, what's that?
Flambe.
Flambe? Flambe?
Flambe.
Flambe? All right.
Flambe.
All right, let's start that over. All right, start that over.
A souffle is a dessert.
You're right, you're right, all right, you ready?